album with Cullen is almost here. H comes out on the 22nd of September at midnight, so between Wednesday, Thursday, that midnight, the autumnal equinox at the very edge, the very cusp of autumn. We are so thrilled and excited for you to hear it, and it'll be streaming wherever you get your music. And if you want to support us more directly and purchase the album, it is $8 on Cullen's Bandcamp, which I'll include the link to right here. And along with getting a whole digital download copy of the album and all the metadata and cover art that goes along with it, we have included a special gift in there, a listening companion, an album liner, which is 25 plus pages of our research that went into reimagining and reinterpreting these songs, the lyrics, the translations if they're in Irish or in Scots Gaelic. And yeah, it's just like a wonderful listening companion for those of you who want to dive a little deeper and see into our process. So that is available if you download the album from Bandcamp. Thank you so much, and much love. Gra mór. Slán!